about MT03? It's lower. Are you going to lower it? Gotcha. Have you changed this exhaust? Yeah. Changed it, right? Yeah. Okay. You change it. Do you do the work yourself, or you take it to bikes?
No,
bike shop. You did it yourself? Oh, okay. The oil change and oil filter, you do yourself, or no? You take it to the shop? Yeah. Shop? Okay. Because I don't know, some people like to do work on the bike, some people don't. You know what I mean? You know? How are you?
Like it?
You know? Good. Very nice.
Huh? Do you want to try mine?
Which is yours?
That one over there.
Let me finish this and him.
Okay.
And then I come to you. Alright, so you're gonna keep this bike for a long time?
Yeah.
For maybe 1 year, 2 years, 3 years? How long?
Maybe 3 years.
3 years? Good. Okay. And then after that you think of changing, right? Something different?
Yeah.
Alright. What kind of work do you do?
Huh?
What do you do?
Electric.
Electrician?
Yeah.
You're an electrician?
Yeah.
Helper, or you have a license?
I have a license.
You have a license?
Yeah.
You're electrician? Maryland, DC, Virginia? Maryland?
Yes.
I interviewed one other guy over there, white bike. He's an electrician in DC.
Okay.
You know?
Alright.
So you member of the union? Union? Electrician?
Oh yeah, this is good company.
Good company.
Yeah, I don't work for that one, so I work for the oil company.
Okay.
So the union is good company.
Good. Nice to meet you.
Thank you, nice to meet you, man.
Look,